etc. We start with one of our charts. I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis when the price was within this move, and especially exactly here, and especially here, we mentioned the way is moving is really corrective. We cannot get any trade set up unless we trade based on lower time frame. Okay. And even we mentioned we can expect the continuation, but the only thing is how we can look for trade, and this is what we get. The only way to look for trade, even we mentioned, was if anyone get the trade from this correction. Okay. Anyway, for me, I didn't get any trade setup for buy. And if I move to daily chart, you want to see what's the next. Now we're looking for continuation. And the only thing is we want to see whether the price can continue and break this top or not. Okay. Rather than that, we have nothing to discuss. And if I move to forward chart, as you can see, the price broke the previous top. And we can look for continuation, but if we want to look for trade, we have to get the correction. Rather than that, as I mentioned, we cannot look for trade, and to catch this trade, the only way was if anyone get the trade from this correction. Because rather than that, if we zoom in, even we have been explaining, the times the price was within this move, we mentioned we cannot get any trade setup because of the way it was moving. The only option was to trade from this correction. And no one wants to look for trade, we have to get the correction. Rather than that, for me, it doesn't mean the price cannot continue. The only thing is how we can get the trade set up. For me, I couldn't get, I mean, even if there is a continuation from here, I won't take the trade. At least I need to get the flag or correction. Even if we get the flag, still we can look for trade. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up. The best thing is we wait and get the trade set up. We cannot simply jump into the trade. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart as I mentioned. If I see any update or any trade setup, I will share. Thanks.